Alright, this is how we replace the bobbin light circuit board with the needle plate sensor in it. So the machine is in quilting mode right now, so we need to first make sure the machine is turned off and unplugged. So I'm going to unplug it. And next, I'm going to pull off our quilting plate. And we have 2 flathead screws on this needle plate we need to remove. Once those 2 screws are removed, you can remove this needle plate and get access to our circuit board that we need to replace. So to remove this, you will need a 2mm Allen wrench to remove these 2 screws that hold the circuit board in place. They're kind of long screws, so. Once you have those 2 screws removed, you can pick up the circuit board and we need to unplug it. To do this, grab it by the plastic section. You might just have to use your fingernails for it. Don't grab it by the wires and pull from there because you might pull apart your connector and that's a big problem. So grab it by the plastic part and just kind of jiggle it until it comes free. So now that we've removed our broken circuit board, we can replace it with our new one. So to do that, we need to make sure this connector can only connect in one way. So we need to make sure that it's oriented the correct way. So that, and just press the connector back in. It should kind of click into place and you shouldn't be able to push it in any further. So once it's connected, you can just put it back in position. And retighten the 2 screws that hold it down. Alright, now that we have it screwed down again, we can return our lower needle plate. Be careful sliding this back over so that you don't break the button on that circuit board we just put in. And just retighten those screws. That's right, okay. And you're done.